Right, so hey guys, welcome to another tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you on how to disable in-app notifications in Windows 10. So basically we can disable notifications for individual applications or for every app on Windows. So what you're going to do is go in the search bar, going to type in notifications. See here, turn app notifications on and off. Click on that. Okay, so here you can turn it off completely for every application, or you can scroll down and you can turn off for the applications here separately. Okay, so I'm just going to turn it off, and yeah, basically that's the way to turn off app notifications on Windows 10. So thanks for watching, folks.